Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. Where to find Lazada ID? So the Lazada ID is sometimes required if you are trying to find your account, or maybe you're trying to report something in Lazada and they will require your Lazada ID, or maybe a seller just wants to know your Lazada ID. So right now I'm going to show you where to find your Lazada ID. So right now, first thing you need to do is open up Lazada. Then when you're in Lazada, click on account. And when your account, click on settings. And at settings, click on account information. And once you are here, as you can see, in the second line, that is your Lazada ID. You just need to copy it. After you copied it, you may send it to your person that is requiring your Lazada ID, like the Lazada, your friends, or the seller. So there you go, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed and hope you guys learned something. Thank you. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.